Uncover Jamaica is back, and today we're diving into a different kind of Jamaican vibe. One that's colorful, creative, and even glows in the dark. I was on the hunt for some new artistic inspiration, and that's when I stumbled upon the Art of Motivation. This place is different. They've got art that glows in the dark and art made with recycled materials. Talk about ingenuity. Plus, you can scan a QR code and interact with the artwork. How cool is that? Turns out, the heart and soul behind this unique gallery is the owner, Ms. Shawn Ashman, or as everyone calls her, Lady Ash. And when I found out she hosts palette parties, well, I had to check it out. Even though I can't paint, I still went to try out the class. Lady Ash is like sunshine in human form, warm, patient, and let me tell you, she's got a joke for every occasion. She makes the whole experience so relaxed and fun, even if you think you have two left hands when it comes to art.
Good. So we're gonna go with...
The vibe was nice and easy, Barris Hammond playing softly in the background. You know, setting that perfect Jamaican mood. We had our canvases, our paints, and Lady Ash guided me step by step as I tried to recreate the master painting. And let me tell you, even for a painting dunce like me, it was therapeutic. Just getting lost in the colors, following Lady Ash's instructions, and trying my best to make something that resembled the original. There were a few laughs, a few oops moments, but mostly just good vibes and creative energy flowing.
So you're pointing them towards the tip of the brush. Yes.
So, the big reveal, drum roll please. Here's my masterpiece. All right, be honest now. How did I do? Lady Ash really has a way of bringing out the artist in everyone, even those who thought they didn't have a creative bone in their body. Seriously though, this palette party at the Art of Motivation was a real highlight. It's a chance to try something new, unleash your inner artist, even if she's been hiding, and connect with some great people in a fun and supportive environment. So, what you think? You feeling inspired to pick up a brush? Want to experience this unique Jamaican art vibe for yourself? You can check out the Art of Motivation's website. They sell their amazing glow-in-the-dark art online. And you can also sign up for a palette party and other art classes, some even online. Lady Ash and the whole team at the Art of Motivation is doing something special. Blending creativity, Jamaican spirit, and a whole lot of fun. It's definitely one of those off-the-beaten-path experiences you won't forget. So, tell me in the comments below, have you ever tried a paint and sip? Would you be brave enough to try a glow-in-the-dark painting? And where should I go next to uncover more of Jamaica's hidden gems? Let me know. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep that Jamaican spirit bright.